Hi folks, John Mark here with Catalyst Connect. This video is going to go over the Zoho mail merge functionality to create contract templates or proposal templates that are more customized and signed than the out-of-the-box quote and sales order templates available in Zoho. So we're going to get started here by clicking on Settings. Under Customization, you'll see this tab called Templates. There are a few different templates here. If you click on the email templates, these are obviously all of the email templates that you can use to send to different modules. You have the inventory templates, which are your quote, sales order, purchase order, invoice templates. And then you have this tab here for your mail merge templates. These templates allow you to have a lot more flexibility over the design of documents that are generated with CRM content. So let's go ahead and click into one of ours here, and I can show you what that looks like. So the mail merge documents operate very much like a Microsoft Word document template. So you can go ahead and upload a letterhead like we've done over here. You can have any kind of text or images inserted into the document. And as you can see, we've got a few section headers here and some mail merge tokens to bring in content directly from our deal module in the CRM. So in our case, if we want to generate a scope of work, we can grab the description from the deal description, a few other fields here to spec out what the use case is, the number of records, and other criteria that we need to generate our scope of work. These are all fields that are inserted from the deal module, and we can see here that we even have a table where we can actually dynamically build a table from a subform generated on the deal record. So it's a fairly easy process to generate a mail merge document. You'll start by either uploading or creating a new document from scratch. You can have any content that you'd like. And then if you want to insert new mail merge tokens, you can simply come here and on the left-hand side, if you go to Automate, underneath the merge existing data, you can then select your source, which will be the CRM, and then you can search for your fields by the different modules that are available. And you can simply click on that particular field, and then anything from that record that has content in that field will get merged into this space right here. And then, of course, you can format it however you need to. So if you'd like to bold it, you'll simply bold the merge tag, and it would bold any text that comes in from that particular field in the CRM. Creative by inserting dynamic tables. So here we have built this particular merge document, and we have this dynamic table over here that is pulling from a scope of work subform on the deal record. We can also bring in related list records to that deal record as well. So we have quite a few options to build dynamic tables that can auto-populate from the CRM as well. Items on the left-hand side here are pretty intuitive. You can click through these to have your basic word editor functionality, the ability to insert new tables, images, shapes, links, your signature fields, like I've done over here. You can set up your page dimensions and some basic views of how you'd like to view the page, and then some other tools like your spell check and thesaurus. So this is how you'll set up your basic document, and then once it's set up, you'll be able to go to a Zoho record to merge in the data. So let's do that next. A new deal record, and I can just go ahead and put in a dummy record here. We have a workflow rule that will add in a subform here based on the layout rule of a feature or support type being added. A scope of work section will be added like this. So we can go ahead and select a general product, put in our description and an amount. We can have an example description over here. the total amount, and we can fill out these fields over here. Filled out this record, we can go ahead and save it. And then if we click up here on the three little dots, once we're in that record and click Mail Merge, what the system's going to do is it's going to find all the Mail Merge templates that have been associated with this module. So when you first go to create a new template, you select the module over here that you're building the template for, and you can choose which folder to store it in. Then when you're in that module over here on that record, it's going to show the different documents that are available for mail merge. So we'll go ahead and select our scope of work over here. We're going to open it in Zoho Rider and click merge. What the system's doing now is it's pulling that template, and then based on these particular tokens over here, it's going to merge in the data from that particular record. It'll take a sec to load, and once it's done that, we can go ahead and make any adjustments that we need at this stage, or we can go ahead and just click this button over here to complete the merge. So now you can see that it's pulled in the data from that particular record and our different sections over here, and it's also started to build that table dynamically for the subform that we entered into. And it also pulled in the amount, so we are now ready to go ahead and send this for a digital signature. The third-party digital signature provider, you can go ahead and click on File, and from here you can download it as a PDF and upload it to a DocuSign or third-party digital signature software. You can also go ahead and share this document by emailing it as an attachment, inviting collaborators, publishing it to the web, or saving it as a Word template as well. If you'd like to go ahead and send it through to Zoho Sign, you'll click on those three lines over there, click on Automate, and then you can go ahead and click this Upload to Sign Services, which gives you the option to upload this document to Zoho Sign or third-party service. So from here, we'll go ahead and we can see that we've already integrated Zoho Sign to our CRM. So we can select the Zoho Sign, click Upload, and now what's happening is that completed document from the mail merge has been uploaded to Zoho Sign. We can go ahead and put in our recipient over here. So we'll just go ahead and put in my email. And it's pulling up contacts that it's found based on that email. So we can go ahead and select that person needs to sign. We can go ahead and add some options here of when to send reminders, how many days they have to complete it, a description or a note. We'll go ahead and do a final placement of any signatures or fields that they may need to fill out through Zoho Sign. We can see here that the signature field has already been mapped over from that mail merge template. So at this point, it's already been assigned to that recipient. There's nothing else that we need to do, and we can just go ahead and click send. And at this point, it's just giving us a summary of what that person needs to fill out. And now we have this in our document queue. So that completes the workflow of developing a template based on a particular module and then sending it through to Zoho Sign. Thanks a lot, and give us a shout if you have any other questions.